So I picked up this Bluetooth wireless microphone for the GoPro for when I'm out riding, so you can actually hear what I'm saying or what we're talking about when I have the weatherproof case. The weatherproof case for the GoPro, yeah, I have the bigger end for the screen, but there's no hole in the top here for the microphone, and this microphone here, which this plugs into that and plugs into the side of the GoPro, and then I have a case that has an opening where that plugs in. But this gets ignition static from the, like when I get close to ignitions if I'm working on an engine running. And these are little wind socks on it. They come off, but I just leave them on all the time. So I have this, that's a little stereo microphone. So I have this, and now I got this. Let's unbox this and have a look at it. And I already did charge it up, so let's try it out and see if it works. So this is the Bluetooth receiver, and this just plugs onto the back of the GoPro where the viewer screen goes on, and the microphone, and the waterproof case for the microphone, which, you just put it in there and snap it together, and it comes with a mount GoPro, so you can use the GoPro mounting stuff for the microphone, and it comes with a windsock and also a clip, and you can use the clip or this on either this or this, and this is what attaches this to the camera where the audio input is, like where this would plug in for this microphone. This is a pretty nice microphone. It has pretty good sound. So let me get this thing together and see if it works. So now I don't have a screen on, so I'm assuming it's recording, and this is the screen, and that's the microphone. When those lights are blue, it says it's paired. So there it is in the, I don't know what's all going to show up here, but it is in the weatherproof case, so we'll soon find out what it sounds like. Alright, there's everything there. The screen from the GoPro, the microphone, hopefully everything's working. It has a setting when you put it in there to boost the volume of the microphone. So, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.